Sheep scab is a highly contagious condition that can have significant impacts on flock health and farm productivity. Understanding how to identify, prevent, and manage this issue is crucial for every sheep farmer. In the following sections, we will explore the causes, symptoms, and effective strategies for controlling sheep scab. By staying informed, you can help protect your animals and ensure the well-being of your flock. Sheep scab is a highly contagious skin disease that affects sheep, and it is caused by the mite known as Psoroptes ovis. These microscopic parasites burrow into the skin, leading to intense irritation and discomfort for the animals. Recognizing the origins of sheep scab is essential, as it helps farmers and veterinarians implement targeted control measures. By understanding how the disease spreads and the role of the mite, more effective management strategies can be developed to protect flocks and maintain animal health. Sheep scab is a highly contagious condition that can spread rapidly within flocks and between neighboring farms. The primary mode of transmission is direct contact between infested and healthy sheep, allowing mites to move easily from one animal to another. Shared equipment, handling facilities, and contaminated vehicles can also facilitate the spread of the disease. Risk factors such as high stocking densities, frequent movement of sheep, and inadequate quarantine measures significantly increase the likelihood of outbreaks. Understanding these pathways is essential for effective prevention and control of sheep scab. Early detection of sheep scab can make a significant difference in managing the disease. Some of the most common symptoms include persistent itching, which often leads sheep to rub against fences or other objects. Wool loss is another key indicator, as affected areas may become patchy or bare. Additionally, look for skin lesions, which can appear as red, inflamed patches or scabs. Recognizing these signs promptly helps ensure timely treatment and reduces the risk of the condition spreading within the flock. Sheep scab is a highly contagious skin disease caused by mites, leading to intense itching, wool loss, and skin damage in affected animals. The discomfort and irritation can result in weight loss, reduced productivity, and increased susceptibility to other illnesses. If left untreated, sheep scab can spread rapidly through a flock, causing widespread suffering and significant economic losses. Prompt detection and intervention are crucial to protect animal health and welfare, as well as to prevent severe outbreaks that can impact entire herds. Sheep scab is a highly contagious skin disease, making accurate diagnosis essential for effective control. The initial step often involves a thorough visual inspection, looking for signs such as itching, wool loss, and skin lesions. However, these symptoms can resemble other conditions, so laboratory testing is crucial for confirmation. Skin scrapings examined under a microscope can reveal the presence of mites responsible for the disease. Combining both visual assessment and laboratory analysis ensures a reliable diagnosis and helps guide appropriate treatment measures. There are several effective treatment options available to address this condition. Injectable medications can offer rapid results by targeting the underlying cause directly. Topical applications, such as creams or gels, provide a convenient way to manage symptoms and are often used for ongoing maintenance. It is important to follow dosing instructions carefully and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safe and effective use. Understanding how each treatment works can help you make informed decisions about your care. Preventing sheep scab is far more effective than treating an outbreak. By implementing strong biosecurity measures, such as quarantining new or returning animals, you can significantly reduce the risk of introducing the disease to your flock. Regularly inspecting sheep for early signs of infestation and maintaining clean equipment are also essential steps. Effective flock management, including minimizing stress and avoiding overcrowding, further helps to keep sheep healthy and resilient. Together, these strategies form a comprehensive approach to safeguarding your animals against sheep scab. Regular monitoring of your flock is essential for maintaining their health and well-being. By observing your birds closely, you can quickly identify any signs of illness or distress. Early intervention allows you to address issues before they become widespread, reducing the risk of serious outbreaks. This proactive approach not only helps to minimize losses, but also ensures a healthier and more productive flock overall. Effective control of sheep scab relies heavily on thorough record keeping and clear communication with veterinarians. Keeping accurate records of treatments, flock movements, and any signs of disease helps track outbreaks and measure the success of interventions. Regular updates shared with your veterinarian ensure that any issues are identified early and managed promptly. This collaborative approach supports timely decision-making and helps maintain the health of the entire flock. Community cooperation plays a vital role in controlling the spread of sheep scab. When farmers and livestock owners work together, they can quickly identify and respond to potential outbreaks. Timely reporting of suspected cases allows authorities to implement measures that limit further transmission. By sharing information and coordinating efforts, communities help protect not only their own flocks, but also those in neighboring regions. This collective vigilance is essential for effective disease management. Keeping informed about the latest research and innovations in sheep scab management is essential for modern farming. Advances in diagnostic tools, treatment options, and prevention strategies are helping farmers tackle this persistent issue more effectively. By staying up to date, producers can implement smarter, more efficient practices that protect their flocks and improve overall herd health. Embracing new knowledge ensures that sheep farming remains sustainable and resilient against disease challenges. We appreciate you joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. If you have experiences to share or questions about today's topic, feel free to leave a comment. Stay connected with us for more practical insights and updates on modern farming techniques.